Coming up, we kick off our season with rides on Dragon's Fury, Rattlesnake, the Gruffalo, and crazy hot dog prices, all at Chessington World of Adventures.
Good morning, theme park fans!
Hello, everybody!
And today you join us for the first video of our 2026 season, and we're at Chessington! Hooray! We're so excited to get started. We're going to be around the park today. We've got our brand new 2026 tokens. Obviously, we're going to give some of those out as well. And we're really excited to get started! Yeah. Let's go! So Mandrill Mayhem is closed today, so we're not going to get to go on that, that's a shame. But it is February half term, so there is limited ride opening today. Okay, let's see what we can find that's open, and we're going to get started.
Yes, as well as the world of Jumanji being closed, the Vampire was closed, and Croc Drop was also closed, but we were determined to make the most of our day.
Okay. We're going to go and try Dragon Fury. Let's go and see what the queue time is first.
Yeah.
15 minutes, that's not too bad. Okay, Dragon Fury, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
This ride opened in 2004, so it is showing its age, but it was the best ride open in February half term.
Cool, so we've actually met some new subscribers in the queue line. They might just make it onto the video. Here we go.
Yeah,
ready.
Station now. We're on this one. Yay!
Here comes our ride. Here it goes.
This is a super fun coaster, but would we get a good spin?
Hey, here we come. It's time for Dragon Fury. Hey! We're going! Oh my God, was this a mistake? It might be. I can see the new Paw Patrol area. Here he goes! Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness! Oh, Jack, how good was that?
That was so good.
That was so good. Woo! First ride of the year. How was that, Jack?
Good.
Oh, that was so good. So many spins, drops. I like that one. A good duration. Okay, let's go see what we're going to do next.
We could go to Rattlesnake, I think, maybe.
Oh, we could do Rattlesnake. Shall we go?
And on the way to Rattlesnake, we saw a bit of progress on the Paw Patrol area, coming along very nicely, Chessington. Holly's gonna love this area, we can't wait. Heading over towards Rattlesnake now, and we all decided to give this one a go. This ride is now nearly 30 years old, and it can be quite rickety. We then actually bumped into some more subscribers in the queue line before heading into the station.
We're coming up to the ride now. First ride on Rattlesnake in a long time. Rattlesnake! Here we go!
A quick height check. They obviously haven't seen our 1.4 meter video at Thorpe Park. It was then time to stow bags and cameras and secure ourselves for our first family ride on Rattlesnake. And of course there was no one left to film us on the ride, so here's a montage of other people enjoying Rattlesnake.
Well, we've just come off a Rattlesnake. What did you think, Jack?
I think there could have been a slight change of the up and down parts, but overall it was pretty good.
Pretty good, but could not your favourite ride of the day.
Yeah,
could be better. It is a bit of an old ride now, so yeah, I enjoyed it. Memories of previous park visits for me. But let's go on to the next one.
Yeah.
Quick flying saucer. Very nice. And we're entering the Forbidden Kingdom. So Croc Drop not open either at this time of year. So February half term, limited rides, but Rattlesnake, Dragon Fury so far, very good. We like all of those. So let's continue. Let's see what else we've got on offer for February half term. I don't know. Okay, Jack, do you want to do Tomb Blaster?
Yeah.
25
what is Tomb
minutes.
Blaster?
Lasers, shooting Egyptian mummies and stuff.
Let's quickly go.
What do you think, Katie? Should we do Tomb Blaster? Okay, next up, we're going to have a go at Tomb Blaster.
Yeah.
We like this one from previous years.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I hope it's fun. Fun, fun, fun. Hang on. Let's go this way.
To the tomb. I think you can skip the queue that way. Hang on, which way are we going?
I want to go this way.
So when we actually came into this queue, the door over there was open, so a load of people joining there, as well as queuing all the way around. So we helped the situation and got everyone to go back the right way around, and now it's solved. Yay!
Tomb Blaster is an interactive dark ride, and the aim is to get the highest score in your car.
Jack, we finally made it into the station. Yes. Jack, are you ready for Tomb Blaster?
Yeah, we're finally on now.
We're finally on. It was a bit of a long queue, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Never mind. Here we go.
Does anyone else think that the guns on Tomb Blaster sound like a load of birds tweeting?
Here we go. Nailing it. How was that, guys?
That was so good.
And Katie was the winner there with over 67,000. What's your highest score? Time to stop for lunch. We wanted to grab something small to eat to keep us going. Lots of kiosks were closed, but pizza, pasta and the smokehouse were open if you wanted a larger meal. So we thought we'd go and have a look at the hot dogs. But my goodness, the prices, what's happened? £10.25. Katie was in absolute disbelief. So over to the coffee hut, and at Costa there you have got a selection of sandwiches and grab a coffee. So that seemed much more reasonable. The staff were very friendly, and that was certainly the best option in the park if you hadn't brought lunch with you.
So we've just had some lunch, and we're finally ready to get back on with some of the rest of our day. Okay, Jack, what are we going to do next?
Gruffalo.
The Gruffalo, yeah. If it's open. Okay, let's go and check out the Gruffalo. Nice.
It's nice to report that the park was actually looking very clean and tidy. And as with all UK theme parks, it always helps when there's a sunny day to go with it.
So we're going on Gruffalo.
Yeah, we're going to go on the Gruffalo. Let's do it. Okay. Jack, are we nearly at the front of the queue?
It looks like it, yeah.
Are you excited for this one?
Yeah.
Have you been on it before?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Nice water ride.
Yeah.
Love it.
Well, great interview there, thank you, Jack. I think he's still getting used to being on camera.
Woo! 3. We're almost in, guys. Are we ready? Yes. Oh. Nice.
It smells nice in it. It smells of chlorine.
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Smells like a swimming pool.
This water ride is probably one of the best themed rides in the park, and it brings back fond memories for me of Professor Burp's Bubble Works, and I must have gone on that for the first time about 30 years ago.
We'll jump in.
Whoa.
There we go, guys. Katie's putting her hood up. Oh. Wow.
There's no such thing as a
Roasted fox.
This ride is about 6 minutes long with multiple theme sections to go through, and it really is great fun for the whole family.
We're not gonna get wet.
Oh, I did get wet.
At least it's not water.
Did you like that one, Katie? Nice little ride. Jack, what did you think of that?
I loved it, yeah!
Yeah, we love that one. It was actually really good, wasn't it? I like the water shooting over. The lighting was great. We enjoyed the scenic elements. All round, a good family ride, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Jack, what are we going to do next?
Sea storm!
Okay, Sea Storm. We're going to use our
fast
fast
pass.
tracks because it's 35 minutes. We might as well get the use out of these today. So let's go, Sea Storm. Yeah.
Hello!
Woo!
Woo!
Sea Storm, we're on! Hooray!
Yay!
Okay, this one could make me slightly queasy, but we'll see. Off we go! Oh my God! Oh no! I didn't.
No, actually, no.
I didn't realise it spins. I did not read the instruction manual. Good.
No.
Backwards.
I actually can't control myself.
We got straight on there. We didn't have to queue for 35 minutes.
My tummy actually feels now.
That was good because we used our fast passes. Yeah. Nice. Oh, that was really good fun. And I didn't feel queasy either, which I thought I might. But yeah, I like Sea Storm. Very fast.
So it was coming to the end of our day. The park closes at 4 p.m. at this time of year, and we just had enough time to go and visit the sea lions, see some of the animals, and of course the penguins, which are always fun to watch.
Oh, look at the cute penguins.
And then it was time to think about heading home.
Well, we've come to the end of our day. First one of the year for 2026. Chessington, February half term. It was good.
It was good.
There was not that many rides open.
No, it was a bit cold.
The whole of Jumanji's been closed, of course.
I think it's a real shame that for us the bigger rides weren't opened. I think it would have been great to go on the Vampire and Mandrill Mayhem. But
exactly.
It was still good. We made the most of it.
We did. We
We
managed to get on Dragon Fury twice.
Yeah.
We used our new fast track passes with our Platinum Merlin annual pass. That's been one of the highlights today. Is this getting to grips with all of the extras that we get with that. Got the discount in the shops as well, which was good. Yeah, we've really enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. But I look forward to coming back and hopefully riding all the other ones.
Yes, this area. We're going to see you next time, Jumanji.
Definitely.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
So Jack, what was your favourite ride of the day?
Oh, that's a good question. I think it's got to be probably Dragon Fury.
Dragon Fury, yeah, that was really good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, and I like Rattlesnake.
Rattlesnake, yeah. I haven't been on that one for a long time. So, and your first ever go, now you're tall enough as well. So that was great. So yeah, we're just about done here for the day. Hopefully you enjoyed coming along with us. And don't forget to...
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Well, as always, thank you very much for watching, everyone. We really hope you liked coming along with us to Chessington on the February half-term break. And our next trip is actually going to be back at Chessington. And if you're watching this now, that's going to be tomorrow. And I'm going to be going on the Mandrill Mayhem behind-the-scenes tour. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, I'm very excited about that. So if you don't want to miss out on what happens there, then please...
like and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you very much, Jack. Yes, and we'll see you soon. Bye.